In this eye-opening video, discover how to get your online footprint removed and reclaim your digital privacy from data brokers, search engines, and prying eyes. Check the description or email techcontinental5@gmail.com for our ultimate privacy expert to achieve top-tier footprint removal. Every click, every search, every login leaves a digital trace that companies you've never heard of are collecting and selling. This creates a detailed map of your life, where you live, what you buy, who you know, and even what you think. Imagine someone having a folder with your name containing your addresses, phone numbers, family members, income, and shopping history. And that folder is being sold to the highest bidder. Data brokers are companies operating behind the scenes, building their entire business on collecting your personal information, packaging it up, and selling it. They scrape public records, buy information from retailers, track your browsing habits, and pull data from your social media profiles. They take scattered pieces from dozens of sources and create a comprehensive profile that becomes their product, incredibly valuable to marketers, advertisers, and unfortunately, people with bad intentions. Start by searching your own name on Google. You'll likely see results from people search sites like White Pages, Spokeo, Bean Verified, and Intellius. These are some of the biggest data brokers that sell your info directly to the public. Once you find a site with your data, you need to locate their opt-out page. This is usually hidden in the website footer under links like "Do not sell my personal information," "Privacy," or "Opt-out." You'll need to find your specific profile, copy the URL, paste it into their opt-out form, and provide an email address for verification. Use a disposable email to avoid more spam. You'll have to repeat this process for every single data broker. It's tedious, time-consuming, and requires ongoing maintenance as new profiles can pop up later. Keep a spreadsheet to track your requests. Google has a Results About You feature that makes it easier to request removal of search results containing your personal information like phone numbers, addresses, or email. This doesn't delete information from original websites but removes it from Google's search results, making it much harder to find. Time for a social media privacy audit. Go through every platform and dive deep into privacy settings. Set profiles to private, limit who sees posts, and control how people can find you. Delete old posts that reveal too much personal information and review connected apps that have access to your accounts. Revoke access for services you no longer use. If manual removal sounds overwhelming, services like Delete Me, Canary, or Incogni can automate this process. You pay a subscription fee, and they handle the legwork across hundreds of data broker sites. Upgrade your everyday tools. Use privacy browsers like Brave, search engines like DuckDuckGo, a VPN for encrypted connections, and a password manager for unique passwords. For sensitive situations or comprehensive protection, consider consulting a privacy expert who can audit your specific digital footprint and create a tailored strategy. For the best defense fast, just a message away at techcontinental5@gmail.com. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more essential privacy tips.